Don't depend too much on anyone in this world, because even your own shadow leaves you when you are in darkness. If you stand for a reason, be prepared to stand alone like a tree. And if you fall on the ground, fall like a seed that grows back to fight again. Words are like keys. If you choose them right, they can open any heart and shut any mouth. The biggest suspense of life is that you don't know who is praying for you and who is playing with you. People can change a lot when you don't spend time with them or when you ignore them regularly. Never lie to someone who trusts you, and never trust someone who lies to you. Life is not about the quantity of friends you have, it is about the quality of friends you have. Failure is a part of life. If you don't fail, you don't learn. If you don't learn, you will never change. If someone treats you bad, just remember that there is something wrong with them, not you. Normal people don't go around destroying other people. Health does not always come from medicine. Most of time it comes from peace of mind, peace in the heart, peace of soul. It comes from laughter and love. The most expensive liquid in the world is a tear. It's 1% water and 99% feelings. Think before you hurt someone.